Alright, so we're playing Battlefield 2 here. As you can see, the squads are not really big. There are not many NPCs. So if we go to the other party, not too many team members. Would start the game. Oh, we have to select the spawn location. Start the game. You can see there are not that many NPCs. So I'm going to show you how to change that. I have my Battlefield 2 installed on Steam. I'm gonna open Battlefield through the Steam directory, but if you have it locally installed, open it wherever you have it installed. When you find the directory of the game, you go to mods, Battlefield 2, AI, and an AI default. Now, I opened it with Notepad++. You can open it with a normal Notepad. Well, I should just get a Notepad++ to make things easier. Alright, so what you see here is these RAM things. These are notes. The developers left these notes here, so you can actually change the settings of the game. Very nice of them. So they're already giving an example here, and these are the actual settings. So I see that this line here, this is missing. Just gonna do an enter, put it there. So it's gonna override the menu settings. We're gonna put it to 128. Might crash the game. And there's also an ultimate cap on how many bots you can have. So no matter how much you put in there or how good your computer is, even if you have a workstation, it's just not gonna work at some point. I notice that here max bots include humans is 0, so I'm gonna change that too. I'm gonna leave everything as it is, save it, close this folder, you can close this too. I'm gonna start Battlefield 2 again.
Losing this battle. Start fighting or I'll find someone who can.
So as you can see, it's very full. All the squads are full. There's so many bots that you cannot even join them. Out, and you can already see quite some bots here. Spot at me. Get a better angle for you.
Sorry, man.
That's a war zone. I managed to land my squad here, but it's practically a suicide mission like this. So let's become a commander.
You have applied to be the commander. You will receive a response shortly. Click a squad in the squad list to select the squad leader you would like to send orders to.
Let's see how many enemies we're dealing with here.
UAV
So first there.
on its mark.
That's alright, not too bad.
To issue an order, click the right mouse button on the large...
Let's check another map. Oh. Nope. We're not gonna make it really far like this. Yeah, there they are. Oh. You can only make it so far. And these are pretty big maps. Having fun, I'm just gonna show you one more. Alright, let's go see all the bots. On the radar you can already see a lot of dots. These are all allies, of course. They're slightly in the way, not too much. We're gonna encounter some enemies already, yeah. Very nice. Okay. No worries. And that's a little bit of gameplay with this many bots. Of course you can put it to any number, you don't have to make it 120, 824. You can make it 60 or 30, whatever you prefer. I do think it makes the game more fun. If you put it to 300, it's just not gonna work. You can see there's a limited amount of squads. You can make more squads, you can do custom squads. You can go to mech. No, nothing. That's it. That's how you add a lot of bots to Battlefield 2. Relatively old game now, but still fun. I hope you enjoyed that, and have a nice day.